Unreal. Hi everybody, it's Tim from Ready Bait again. 214 Bridge Street, Bridgewater, PA. Today I'm not going to talk a whole bunch. I want to just show you something, a site that all of us very rarely get to see. I'm at New Brighton Dam, and as you can see behind me, there's no water coming over the dam, which has exposed all the rocks and stuff that we are so used to fishing almost every day. So I'm gonna just be quiet. I might give you a little bit of a narrative here, and I'm gonna show you what this dam looks like with no water running over it. Tell me this doesn't look strange. Looks almost like a lunar landscape. I'm going to go ahead and move. Just keep watching. Look at some of the holes and stuff that the water has literally dug out over the years. This area right out here where this channel is, that water running down through there comes out this way, creates an eddy right here in front of us. It's one of the better places to fish up here at the dam. But this is only accessible in this area by boat. The seagulls are having a good time over there feeding. Check out some of these rocks so you wonder where your prop gets hit. Look at these. I don't know if you can see some of them under the surface right out in front of me here. Usually where the boats come up, they anchor off. Now it's all exposed. Well folks, this isn't much of a video today, but like I said, I just wanted to let you see what this area looks like with no water running over it. Very rare occurrence, but hope you're able to use this in some way. Hope it improves your fishing some way, but that's what this is all about. Like I said, this area that I'm at is only accessible from a boat. So I wish you all good fishing. Hope to see you come down to Ready Bait, 214 Bridge Street in Bridgewater. We're open 7 days a week. Phone number is 724-888-2999. 2932. This is Tim signing off, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.